Welcome to the Lion City, a place where futuristic skyscrapers touch the clouds, where nature and technology blend seamlessly, and where a tiny island has become one of the richest and most advanced places on Earth. This is Singapore, a city like no other. Stay with us as we dive deep into its secrets, its history, its food, and the incredible innovations that make this country a global powerhouse. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be adding Singapore to your bucket list. Singapore might be small. In fact, it's just 728 square kilometers, which is smaller than New York City. But its history is larger than life. The island was once a sleepy fishing village until it was transformed into a global trading hub by a British explorer, Sir Stamford Raffles, in 1819. But did you know Singapore has been inhabited for over 700 years? The name Singapore comes from the Sanskrit words Singa, lion, and Pura, city. But here's a fun fact. Lions never lived in Singapore. Historians believe that the early settlers mistook a Malayan tiger for a lion. But the name stuck, and today Singapore roars with success. Step into Singapore, and it feels like you've traveled to the future. Imagine a city where robots serve you coffee, driverless taxis take you home, and trees generate electricity. That's Singapore. One of the most recognizable buildings in Singapore is the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. This architectural wonder cost over $5 billion to build and has the world's largest rooftop infinity pool where you can swim while overlooking the entire city. It's like floating in the sky. You might think Singapore is just a concrete jungle, but did you know it's actually one of the greenest cities in the world? The Supertree Grove at Gardens by the Bay is a perfect example. These 50-meter tall structures are covered in plants, produce solar energy, and even collect rainwater. At night, they light up in a stunning display of colors. It's like stepping into a sci-fi movie. Singapore's transportation system is so advanced that you never need to wait more than 5 minutes for a train. The entire subway network is driverless and uses AI technology to optimize routes. Fun fact: if you own a car in Singapore, you have to pay a certificate fee that costs more than the car itself. Singaporeans take their food very seriously. This tiny country has over 15,000 food stalls and some of the best street food in the world. And here's something crazy. You can get a Michelin-star meal for just $2. Forget fancy restaurants. The real flavors of Singapore are found in hawker centers. These open-air food courts serve dishes from all over Asia, and some stalls have even won Michelin stars. The most famous one is Hawker Chan, where you can try the legendary Hainanese chicken rice for just a couple of dollars.
Hi, I believe you got to Cafe restaurant.
Did you know that chewing gum is banned in Singapore? That's right. Unless you have a doctor's prescription, you can't buy or sell gum in the country. The reason? To keep the streets spotlessly clean. Here's something mind-blowing. In the 1960s, Singapore was a poor country with no natural resources. Fast forward to today, and it's one of the richest countries in the world, with a GDP per capita higher than the United States and the UK. Singapore is home to over 200 banks, and its airport, Changi Airport, is one of the busiest in the world. The city is so efficient that it can unload an entire cargo ship in just 5 hours, while other ports take days. If you're a Singaporean citizen, congratulations! You have the most powerful passport on the planet. Singaporeans can travel to 192 countries visa-free, which is more than the US, UK, and Canada. If you think Singapore is futuristic now, just wait until you hear what's coming next. Singapore is building the world's first floating city to protect itself from rising sea levels. This massive floating platform will be self-sufficient, running on solar energy and desalinated water. By 2030, Singapore aims to be the world's first fully smart nation, where AI, automation, and sustainability shape every aspect of life. Expect to see robot cleaners, AI-driven healthcare, and even vertical farms growing food inside skyscrapers. Singapore is proof that a small country can achieve big things. From its rich history to its mind-blowing innovations, Singapore is a place that never stops evolving. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible travel videos. Let us know in the comments, which country should we explore next? Until next time, keep exploring the world, one step at a time.